Mr. Puneet Garg from Ganga Institute of Technology and Management, Kablana.
Good evening, everyone. I am Puneet from Ganga Institute. It is in Bahadurgarh, village Kablana. It's a venture of Pavan Ganga Education Society, and the society has 14 international schools, 2 engineering colleges, 2 B.Ed colleges, 2 B architecture. It's a very big group, and I am here as a TPO. This experience is very good for me. Being a part of Recruiters Conclave has made me learn a lot of things. The main things is a successful placement is incompleted without a successful training. As we know, for a 4-year teaching program, it doesn't provide us a complete exposure to industry or complete knowledge to know how to get a successful job. So first of all, the main thing what I learned from this conclave is we should make our student trained as per the industry require. The second thing is what I have liked the most is entrepreneurship. As Dr. V.K. Sharma have explained us, every year 8 lakh students has been passed out. Every 8 lakh is very big amount. Not every student get job as per his or her expectation. So it would be better if he adopts entrepreneurship, if he or she can adopt. And the last one thing is faculty must be facilitator for the students. If the faculty is skillful, definitely a student will also be a successful person. Thank you.
Dr. B.N. Bapat from the same institute, Ganga Institute of Technology and Management.
I'm seeing that I am the only director from one institute. I'm the director of the institute, and people were talking about managements, thinking that they are absent totally. But I got the glimpse of what you meant for management. I must thank Mr. Raghav and his team for organizing such a nice, moment-to-moment, interesting event. Right? No void in it. Everything was useful and wonderful, very interesting. What I take away from this conclave is there were very common salient features. One was value training was emphasized by almost everyone, and therefore we should emphasize that in our day-to-day routine in the colleges. Second is, what I gather from here is, instead of running after placement directly, what is the prerequisite is the training, and therefore many speakers also emphasize that you just talk of placement right from the beginning in the first year. We must start focusing on placement, and I may propose that there should be some separate cell for training only, and placement automatically falls in. So maybe we may have to close the placement cell later on because placement automatically happens. So I take away these 2 things. I am awaiting for the third item takeaway is the data on recruiters and participants, detailed data. Thank you very much.